Greetings everyone. Today let's discuss about punctuations and symbols. So what are punctuations? Punctuations is a set of symbols used to distinguish written sentences and portions of sentences as well as to clarify their meaning. Now let's discuss about some symbols and how to pronounce it. The first one is at, underscore, dot or the period, the hyphen, asterisk, the forward slash, backslash, parenthesis, hash, square bracket, equal. Now let's see one by one. So the period, also known as full stop. The end of the sentence is indicated with the period. Next, the question mark. The question mark also ends a sentence. However, when you want to ask a question, you can use this punctuation. Next, the exclamation point. When you want to express an intense emotion, it may be excitement, disgust, or anger, or joy. You can use this exclamation point. Next, the comma. Commas are used to insert a pause into a sentence. Next, parentheses. Parentheses are used to supply further details or information as an aside. Parentheses can often be replaced with commas and the sentence would retain its same meaning. For example, Nimali, who is someone's wife, likes to go for walks. For example, now let's remove the parentheses and see. So Nimali likes to go for walks. So when you remove the parentheses, so the meaning should be the same. Next, the square bracket. Brackets are used to clarify something for technical terms or explanation. Example, she, Mrs. Pereira, agrees that studying nursing is not easy. Another example, when riding bike, it is important to be very safe. Next, braces. You use braces in mathematical or technical text. Next, the quotation mark. Quotation marks are used to indicate someone else's text, speech or word. I don't like this, said someone. Next, ellipsis. An ellipsis is a 3 period, that means 3 dot, used together to represent an omission of words or letters. Example, at midnight she began to count down 10, 9, 8 and then the ball dropped. Next, the apostrophe. The marking of the omission of one or more letters, you can use an apostrophe. For example, the contraction of do not. When you want to omit the or letter, you can use a apostrophe. Here are some list of punctuations you can use. Please pause the video and see whether you can pronounce them. Thank you.